Hello, my name is Danya Brewer, and I am a medical student here at Oklahoma State University. Today, I'm going to be presenting a study completed by myself, fellow medical students Caleb Smith, Adam Corrigan, and Ryan Otwell, as well as Dr. Matt Vassar. We investigated the incorporation of predatory journals within systematic reviews in the top 5 cardiology journals. Predatory journals are those which take advantage of the open access model of peer-reviewed research by implementing unethical submission practices. This includes publishing manuscripts without peer review in exchange for large publication fees, among other questionable conduct. These published articles may lack scientific merit and threaten the integrity of other medical research. Publications from predatory journals have the potential to be cited in systematic reviews, and this can threaten clinical practice guidelines and clinical decision-making. Thus, we investigated whether systematic reviews from the 5 most cited cardiology journals included primary studies published in predatory journals. We chose the top 5 cardiology journal from Google Metrics based on their H5 index. After choosing the top 5 journals, we then created a search string for analyzing systematic reviews from each of those journals. We chose 10 qualifying reviews from each journal for a total of 50 journals that we reviewed. For each systematic review, we analyzed the studies included and the publication location of each of those studies. We used an algorithm created by one of our authors to discover if any of the studies in the systematic review had been published in a predatory journal based on a list on bealslist.net. If any of the publications reported being published in a predatory journal based on the algorithm that we used, we then further analyzed that particular study in a mass duplicate fashion. We then further compared these results to determine the possibility of a predatory journal publication included in the systematic review. We did find a predatory journal publication within the Circulation Research Journal, which was one of the top 5 on Google Metrics. Therefore, we concluded that systematic reviews published within the top 5 cardiology journals do have predatory publications. These inclusions can threaten clinical decision-making. Further research should be done to investigate this issue in a greater sample size across more journals. This is a growing issue within medical research, and extensive research must be done to maintain the integrity of medical research and clinical practice guidelines. These are the references included for our study. Thank you for your time and your attention.